Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askhuluma with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that like button. Uyatrenda uLebu guys, i-ex yaLatoya Makheni uqale kutrenda nje ngemva kokuthi aye laphana ku-podcast ye-Engineer Your Life where abekakhipha amafayili, akhipha igaxa, akhipha amabhomu kesana akhuluma ngaLatoya, and the whole interview was about uLatoya nje ungathi yayilalela. Athi uLatoya yi-fake gqobela, athi uLatoya umthola nganalutho, athi uLatoya abekamhlube, athi uLatoya bekadzakwalala, uLatoya umthole emathamba okuhlola. Hey guys, ngithi mina lo muntu ukukhiphile tigaqa uLatoya bekamchithela neman-Nigeria, uLatoya they were smashing her toilet, uLatoya. The whole interview was about uLatoya, and people were making fun of this lady. But haibo munlokhuluma sona, we don't blame uLatoya for leaving you kesana. But you could hear from Tony voice yakhe, from Tindola tikhuluma ukuthi no shame yena, she's hurt, like she's really hurt, and udzingalisito ugela, she's not okay, akekho right, uyagoa ugela mgonje bekamenda khulume tonke letinto lena, because on your normal state ngeke uzothi khuluma itinto letinje. How can you be in a relationship with a person ithi masenihlukene wona sokhipha amafayila langaka? So bani labaningi bathi ugela udzingalisito. So ama-pictures akhe akudala la bekaledi khona ayacirculate lapha kuma-social media platforms, bantu bayabuka benihlekisa, people are making jokes ukuthi hayibo no, you are even wearing heels kesana ave uchintshile ke. So please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.